Description: a natural complex of 5 essential oils, Angelica, Lavender, Geranium, Ylang-ylang and Patchouli, plus sweet almond oil, work together to strengthen and soften dry and damaged hair, leaving it smoother and healthier. Benefits: repairing and detangling dry, brittle and damaged hair, strengthening and smoothing the hair fiber from root to tip. Suggested use: take a generous dab and work through lengths and ends of hair. Leave on for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse well. Top reviews from the United States. Great shampoo. This is one great shampoo, all right. But then again, it sure should be for the price, right? In any case, this shampoo really is a great example where you get what you pay for.